Alright, y'all. Welcome to another edition of TJ's Dumb Stunts. Another fine day in the Foxes.
Don't tell them niggas where we live.
Well, time for some more dumb stunts. You saw me jump off the porch last time, you know. I was hurt for a second, but I got up. Got my man to sign right here. He's gonna do a dumb stunt for y'all.
Damn, nigga. Take your shoes. Take your shoes. Take your shoes. Hey, give me a pair. Give me a pair.
$5. $5.
Damn, man. Get the hell back over here. Aren't these two niggas gay? Nigga fell again. This nigga fell again.
Get over here.
Cut it off. And in.